We're back at La Spiga on Capitol Hill. Here, a rustic atmosphere and amazing comfort food work together to bring Italy to Seattle.
The food is gourmet.
It has that quality feeling. Everything is made here. The pasta, you can tell, is good.
Been here many nights.
It feels like you're in northern Italy. It's just fantastic.
You know, it's important to take advantage of the bounty that we have here in Washington.
Co-owner Sabrina Tinsley and her husband Pietro own and operate La Spiga. Together, they've worked to make their restaurant a little taste of northern Italy.
Were you interested in Italian food before you met your husband, or what?
I did love Italian food, but I didn't really know what Italian food was. But when I first went there, I was blown away by the flavors.
Everything feels really fresh.
Well-seasoned food is hard to find, so when you find it, always go back.
I remember eating a plate of spaghetti and it looked like there was no sauce on it at all, but when I tasted it, it was so good. It was really important to me when we built out La Spiga to prepare food in a way that people would be able to have that same experience.
It's romantic without feeling stuffy.
It feels like a old world kind of Italian place.
Rustic, traditional, beautiful, flavorful, Italian.
So what are we gonna make today?
Today we're gonna make a risotto called risotto alle zucchine e fiori di zucca.
And I know exactly what that is.
Time to get cooking.
We're gonna make some risotto.
Nice pronunciation. You were so worried
What
about
is
that.
the dish that we're gonna make?
This particular one that we're going to do today is risotto alle zucchine e fiori di zucca.
So we have some nice Washington-grown zucchini. They came out of your garden, right?
Those are from my garden.
That's so
Absolutely.
awesome.
Yeah.
And then these beautiful zucchini
blossoms.
blossoms, and
Yeah.
you can eat these.
Those are edible.
Yeah.
All right, well, first we need to chop some onions.
Okay.
And I understand that you're a master chopper of onions.
Not a master.
We put the onion into a pot with some olive oil and start cooking it. Then we cut a clove of garlic in half and add it into the pot.
Surprisingly, Italians aren't as garlic, heavy as a lot of people think. Typically, they'll do a whole clove of garlic and then take it out. Just
Oh, interesting.
to highlight the flavor of that.
Yeah.
To keep the onions from caramelizing, Sabrina adds in a little bit of chicken stock. Meanwhile, I grate the zucchini. Next, we season the zucchini blossoms with salt, a garlic clove, and olive oil. When the onions have become soft and translucent, Sabrina adds in the grated zucchini and some salt to enhance the flavor.
Starting to smell really good.
And then I'm gonna end up taking a little bit of this out because I wanna toast my rice. It's really important as you're making risotto to draw out all the starches, and toasting the rice helps to do that.
We stir in the rice and cook for about 30 seconds, making sure to stir it continuously. Then we add chicken stock a little bit at a time. Then we add the zucchini back in.
Stir that in, and I like to shred the zucchini because it adds extra creaminess to the risotto.
Yeah.
Next, Sabrina adds in some tomato seasoned with basil. Then come the zucchini blossoms. Once the risotto is ready, we turn the heat off and add in some butter and Parmesan cheese.
It's quite liquid, which is the way I like it. Some people like it a little drier, but this is perfect for me.
Finally, we top it off with some basil leaves as a garnish.
It smells really earthy and yummy. Lots of flavor in there.
Did you get the zucchini blossom?
I did.
And you can actually taste it. Actually, like in the aftertaste, you can taste it. Because in the forefront, you'll taste the, cheeses and the flavor
and
of
the
the
stock
whole
and
risotto.
everything.
But then on the back, you get the zucchini blossom.
Oh, that's so good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, I'm going back in. Is that okay?
Yes. That's all yours.
Going back in.
Right.
Thank you so much, Sabrina.
You're welcome.
So good.
To get the recipe for La Spiga's risotto, visit wagrown.com.